This morning trick gave me all-day energy. I stopped drinking coffee and discovered the secret to unlimited energy. Here's how. What if I told you that your fatigue isn't because you need caffeine, but because your body is missing something deeper? This is a deep dive into natural energy boosters that will help you ditch caffeine and feel genuinely alive again. Stay with me, because these powerful tips can change your daily rhythm and your life. Hydration is your fuel. One of the most overlooked causes of low energy is dehydration. Hydration isn't optional, it's essential. Your body is about 70% water. If you're not drinking enough, your cells struggle to function. Instead of reaching for coffee when you're feeling sluggish, try this. Drink a full glass of water first thing in the morning. Add a crystal of Celtic sea salt on your tongue before sipping. It helps pull water into your cells more efficiently thanks to its mineral content. Keep water bottles in key areas: car, bedroom, workspace, to make drinking automatic. Bonus. Add cucumber or lemon to keep it refreshing. Move to make energy. Ever feel like you're too tired to exercise? Here's the twist: gentle movement can actually create more energy than it uses. Just 1 minute of bouncing on a mini trampoline can get your lymphatic system moving. If that's not your style, do this. Set a timer every hour to get up and stretch. Walk during calls, do jumping jacks, or dance around your living room. Your lymphatic system doesn't have a pump like your heart, it relies on movement to eliminate toxins. Breathe like you mean it. Most of us breathe shallowly through the mouth. But nose breathing? That's where the magic is. Breathing through your nose gives your body 80% more oxygen. Try this. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 seconds. Do this for just 10 rounds. It's like hitting reset on your brain and body. Calm the chaos. Stress management. Stress is an energy thief. Your body stays in fight or flight, draining your reserves. Experts recommend prayer, meditation, and breathwork. Try this in a quiet space. Close your eyes. Breathe in deeply, focus on gratitude, or say a short prayer. You can also use essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus in a diffuser or bath for extra calm. Nourish with real food. Energy doesn't come from caffeine. It comes from nutrients. Eat whole, fiber-rich plant-based foods. Focus on magnesium-rich foods, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains. Include protein at each meal to stabilize blood sugar. Also, eat smaller meals more frequently to avoid energy crashes. Try adaptogens. Adaptogens like rhodiola and ginseng support energy naturally without the crash. Rhodiola helps with mental focus and endurance. Ginseng gives you a steady lift without jitters. Add them as teas, tinctures, or capsules to your daily routine. Prioritize deep sleep. Sleep isn't just rest, it's repair. Without 7-8 hours of quality sleep, your body can't recover. Expert recommendations. No screens an hour before bed. A wind-down routine with stretching or herbal tea. Going to bed by 9-10 p.m. to align with your circadian rhythm. Also, get morning sunlight and stay hydrated to support melatonin production. There you have it. 7 natural ways to boost energy, no caffeine required. Try one of these tips today. Start small, maybe hydrate first thing tomorrow. Let me know in the comments, which tip are you trying first? And do you have your own natural energy boosters? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others break free from the caffeine trap.